Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're tackling a health concern that often flies under the radar but can significantly impact our quality of life as we age: sarcopenia. In simplest terms, sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. You know how we always talk about bone density? Well, muscle mass is just as important, especially as we get older. Think of your muscles like the sturdy foundation of a house. As that foundation weakens, everything else is affected. We become more prone to falls, our mobility decreases, and even our energy levels take a hit. The worst part? It can sneak up on you. We might not even realize it's happening until we struggle to carry groceries or get up from a chair. But the good news is, just like with many health concerns, we can fight back. And one of the most powerful weapons in our arsenal is our diet. So in this video, we're diving deep into 7 incredible foods that can help us maintain our muscle mass, stay strong, and live our best lives no matter our age. First up, we're starting strong with a breakfast staple: eggs. Now I know what you might be thinking. Eggs? Really? But trust me on this one. Eggs are like nature's little protein powerhouses. They're packed with all the essential amino acids our muscles need to repair and rebuild themselves, especially after a good workout. And when it comes to muscle health, there's one particular amino acid that deserves a standing ovation: leucine. Leucine is like the spark plug that ignites muscle protein synthesis, the process of building and repairing muscle tissue. And guess what? Eggs are bursting with leucine. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Eggs also bring a hefty dose of vitamin D to the table, which plays a crucial role in muscle function and strength. Low vitamin D levels have actually been linked to increased risk of falls, especially in older adults. So how many eggs are we talking about? Well, a serving of 2 to 3 eggs a day is a great target. You can scramble them, poach them, fry them, in a healthy oil of course, or whip up an omelet loaded with veggies. The possibilities are endless. Remember, we're aiming for a balanced diet here, so don't feel like you need to eat eggs for every single meal. But incorporating them regularly into your diet can go a long way in supporting your muscle health. Next up, we're diving into the deep blue with a delicious and nutritious fish salmon. This fatty fish is not only incredibly flavorful but also a fantastic source of protein, clocking in at around 20 grams per 3-ounce serving. But what truly sets salmon apart is its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. Now these healthy fats are like the superheroes of the cell membrane world. They help reduce inflammation, which is crucial for muscle recovery after exercise or injury. And here's a bonus. Omega-3s have also been linked to improved muscle protein synthesis, meaning they can actually help your body build more muscle. So, not only are you getting a hefty dose of muscle-building protein, but you're also giving your body the tools it needs to optimize muscle growth. When it comes to salmon, aim for at least 2 servings per week. You can grill it, bake it, pan-sear it, or even enjoy it smoked on a salad. Just be sure to choose wild-caught salmon whenever possible to minimize your exposure to potential contaminants. Remember, variety is key to a healthy diet. So don't be afraid to mix and match salmon with other protein sources throughout the week. Your muscles will thank you for it. Let's be honest, when it comes to building and maintaining muscle, chicken breast is a classic for a reason. It's lean, it's mean, and it's packed with protein. We're talking about a whopping 26 grams of protein in just a 3-ounce serving. But chicken breast isn't just about quantity, it's also about quality. It provides all the essential amino acids our bodies need, making it a complete protein source. And remember that all-star amino acid, leucine? Chicken breast has got you covered there too. But here's a little secret. Chicken breast isn't just for bodybuilders and gym enthusiasts. It's an incredibly versatile protein that can be enjoyed by everyone. You can grill it, bake it, sauté it, or even shred it and add it to salads, soups, or wraps. And the best part? Chicken breast is relatively inexpensive and widely available, making it an accessible protein source for people from all walks of life. So next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on some chicken breast and get creative in the kitchen. Remember, building a healthy plate starts with choosing nutrient-rich foods like chicken breast. It's a simple swap that can make a world of difference in your overall health and well-being. Now let's switch gears to a snack that's as delicious as it is good for you: Greek yogurt. This creamy delight isn't just a tasty treat, it's a protein powerhouse that can help fuel your muscles and keep them strong. We're talking about a whopping 20 grams of protein per cup. That's more protein than most protein bars out there. And the best part? It's naturally low in calories and fat, making it a guilt-free snack or meal option. But Greek yogurt's benefits go beyond its impressive protein content. It's also an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that's essential for strong bones and healthy muscle function. And let's not forget about probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that support gut health and may even enhance nutrient absorption. You can enjoy Greek yogurt on its own, top it with fruit and granola for a parfait, or blend it into smoothies for a protein boost. It's also a fantastic ingredient in dips, sauces, and even desserts. So next time you're craving something creamy and satisfying, reach for a container of Greek yogurt. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. Let's talk about another unsung hero of the protein world, cottage cheese. This often overlooked dairy product is making a comeback, and for good reason. It's packed with protein, low in calories, and incredibly versatile. Just 1 cup of cottage cheese provides around 25 grams of protein, making it a fantastic option for a post-workout snack or a protein-rich meal. And like Greek yogurt, it's also an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for muscle function and bone health. But here's where cottage cheese really shines. It's a slow-digesting protein source. This means it provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles, making it an ideal choice for nighttime snacking. The slow digestion can help prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep, promoting muscle recovery and growth. You can enjoy cottage cheese on its own, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for dips and spreads. It's also a delicious addition to salads, baked potatoes, and even lasagna. So next time you're looking for a protein-packed snack or meal, don't underestimate the power of cottage cheese. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your muscles and support your overall health. Now for all my plant-based eaters out there, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. Beans and lentils are here to prove that you don't need meat to build and maintain strong muscles. These plant-based powerhouses are packed with protein, fiber, and a whole host of essential nutrients. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein, while a cup of black beans boasts around 15 grams. That's more protein than 2 eggs. And unlike animal-based protein sources, beans and lentils are naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat, making them heart-healthy choices. But here's the best part. Beans and lentils are incredibly affordable and versatile. You can add them to soups, stews, salads, or even use them to make veggie burgers. They're also a great source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion and keep you feeling full and satisfied. So whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or simply looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, beans and lentils are a must-have. They're a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your muscles, support your overall health, and protect our planet. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the small but mighty contenders in the fight against muscle loss nuts and seeds. These nutritional powerhouses may be small, but they're packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals that are essential for muscle health. Almonds, for example, are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from damage. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which, as we discussed earlier, can reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. And pumpkin seeds, they're a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function and relaxation. But here's the best part. Nuts and seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. You can enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, add them to trail mixes, or even blend them into smoothies for a nutritional boost. Just remember, a little goes a long way. While nuts and seeds are incredibly healthy, they're also calorie-dense, so it's best to enjoy them in moderation. Aim for a small handful a day to reap their muscle-boosting benefits without overdoing it on the calories. So there you have it, 7 incredible foods that can help you fight back against sarcopenia and maintain your muscle mass as you age. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start prioritizing your muscle health. By incorporating these foods into your diet and maintaining an active lifestyle, you can stay strong, mobile, and independent for years to come. And as always, if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized nutrition plan that's right for you. Keep those muscles strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.